Good morning, friends. Welcome to GoOnlineTrainings.com. We have one more success story to celebrate. Is Mr. Anji is having 4 years of experience in banking industry. Completely, he was working from the banking sector, and in, I think Kotak Mahindra Bank he is working, and he completely changed from banking industry to IT. 4 lakhs to 11 lakhs salary package he got it as a BA developer in Infosys Hyderabad, and I think July in this month July 20, I think 21st or 20 he got the offer letter. I'm so excited. So people do not have proper knowledge, and even though I think he studied MCA, I think, right? So MCA, right? Anjaneyulu?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, even though he studied MCA, because of not proper guidance, completely settled down in non-IT field, banking industry, and because of his friend Santosh, he got the offer, and Santosh is currently working with Cognizant, and that guy told him about this institution, I think, right? So immediately he and his friend Venkatesh joined, and Anjaneyulu now got the offer from Infosys. End of the day, I always believe that you need to have proper gurus and proper mentors, right? So when you have this without paying not even single rupee extra, no proxies, nothing, you can easily crack the interview, right? So one more success story also I wanted to take it from one more girl, Sandhya. She's from BCom MBA background, 2014 passed out. She got 3 offer letters. She got 3 offer letters, and she's so happy. And completely, the non-IT people are getting to IT industry, right? So Anjaneyulu at least he has done his MCA, and Sandhya completely from BCom MBA background, that too 2014 passed out, and she got 3 offer letters. One company with I think 8.5 lakhs, one more company with 9 lakhs, and emphasis that they're also planning to give 9 lakhs of salary package, and the completely the family members got thrilled because she never worked for IT industry, and after 3 months of coaching, she attended only 1 month live training because of the family, the time concerns, because housewives, definitely they need to support the entire family. The time is the big constraint for them. Even though she had a lot of time constraint issues, 1 month only she could attend, and remaining time she prepared. So guys, please mute yourself. So Ashok, I think you need to mute. Okay, she also got the offer letters. And last night, Mr. Rajkumar called me. He also got 3 offer letters. We will definitely call Sandhya and Rajkumar also. We will, take their success stories as well. Now, I wanted to ask few things to Anji. Anji, how do you feel about our training, and how do you feel about Go Online trainings? And what is that you were lacking earlier, and what is that you gain now? And tell me about your story from how did you complete the training, and your education qualifications and everything. Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning, sir and all. As you know, my name is Anjaneyulu from
Yeah.
Hyderabad only. So my post graduation completed in MCA from 2012. So after that, I joined as a Bajaj Finance because of the very small job, 10,000 rupees per monthly. From 2012 to 2016, almost 4 to 5 years, only I worked in as a senior executive for 10,000 rupees per month. After that, one of my friend is working in a Power BI developer in as a Wipro company. So he given personally to I meet them. So he given advice to join in Power BI in 2016. In 2016, I joined in Power BI also. He personally taking the me. He given guidance to me, but not guidance properly. Guidance is not properly well. So I'm unable to complete the course. So still I after 2016 I moved into Kotak Mahindra Bank. So almost to 3.9 to 4 years almost. I worked in Kotak Mahindra as 30 to 35,000 per monthly I'm getting now presently. So from 2012 to 2018, only 10,000 rupees per month my salary is. Just think about once. In 6 years of vintage, just 10,000 rupees. I feel very bad in my personally also, because of my friends are working in all, most of the friends are working in IT field only, but no proper guidance, no mentor, no gurus. Because of that only, I moved into retail field only. So one of my friend got in cognition. I said Santosh is my MCA classmate. After he got offer, he advised me to join in online trainings. So at that time, I joined in January 2022, this year only. So after I joined in this batch, 2022 January batch, after that only I know, yeah, this is the best platform to my change my career. Because of just I attended demo in Bhaskar sir. Yeah, after listening the demo, I decided, yeah, this is the best platform and to get a job in IT industry without any fake experience, with proxy, nothing. Because of, yeah, I listened to so many stories like this. Yeah, previous batch students every week, every monthly, 2, 3 are uh, colleagues are telling where their life success stories. So in that way, so if I did not get job in this period, so I never get job in my life in time. So yeah, practice from January onwards. I joined in January. This month is August, July. Sorry, July. So from last 6 months only, I practice very lot because of my timings is 11 o'clock to 9 o'clock in my office. I wake up at 6:30 to 7 o'clock, 7 to 9 practice, and 9 to 11 wake up. Remaining all things are ready, and 11 o'clock go to office and come back by 9 o'clock to my home. After 9 o'clock, 9 to 11 o'clock night, I practice 2 hours for SQL and Power BI daily. 4 to 5 hours I practice writing the notes and practice the SQL videos and Power BI videos daily. This is my timings in my last 6 months. Because of I do not have time to any between 11 to 9. Every day I'm working in my Kotak Mahindra Bank. No holidays for me because of I'm bank. The company is banking, but my work is a field work. So that's why I do not have any holidays in the entire month. So before that, yeah, every day morning 6 to 9 and evening 9 to 11. This is my practice timings. So yeah, and one more thing, SQL is very important, as Bhaskar sir said now, because of without SQL you never survive in IT industry. I'm telling sure, because of I attended 2 interviews without practicing SQL properly. They just asked like first to SQL. What do you know about SQL? What are the giants? What is the store procedure? What are the views? Yeah, at the time only I understood. Yeah, without SQL we cannot go. Then only I can repeat the again from video first one to 64 videos something around is there in SQL videos. SQL is very important. Power BI is 30 to 40% they are asked in interview questions from Power BI only. Remaining 60 to 70% questions from only SQL, and remaining 10 to 20% for MSBI. This is the interview process. So I uploaded my resume in June 2022, almost 2 months over. In this 2 months over, I got a 5 to 10 calls. First month, I never get a single call from recruiters. I'm getting very bad feeling because of not even single call getting after 6 months course completed. 2 months, almost 1.5 month before I uploaded in Naukri portal. So many struggles I'm getting. Oh, what happened? What can I do for this getting calls? So many colleagues and my mentors and your seniors also guiding me how to update resume in Naukri portal and Monster, LinkedIn. So I follow the guidance only. So unfortunately, get a call up from Infosys only. First interview I attended in Infosys only. That is first time only one round on my actually my breaks my luckily only one round attended in Infosys, then selected. So the how interview process is going, I'm telling you, the interviewer asking me most of the questions from SQL only, 60 to around 62 to 70% only SQL. Then Power BI very little. What do you know about Power BI? What are the challenges faced in Power BI? The questions are asking like that only. The interviewer mainly focusing on you only, you are real or fake. First of all, how you are telling the answers. They are observed very carefully. Be careful while going to attend the interview. Because of the communication is second thing. First, how you know subject. Based on subject only they can selected. Please keep in your mind only, everyone. My suggestion is only the
Very good, Anji. So did you prepare anything else apart from our classes, notes and our things?
no. Only your classes and your notes only I am following, sir.
Okay.
These notes is very important because of only one line sentence is very enough. What Bhaskar said. Because of I thoroughly 2-3 videos are following in YouTube only, where another company videos, another consultancy videos, but never match your videos and the other company videos. Really, one of my interviewers are surprised about me answers only. Really, I'm telling you.
Excellent.
Really, interviewer got shocked. Yeah, I do not have any questions from you. Your answers telling like directly like to me, sir.
Very good. Always I say that because we are going to cover from very basic level to advanced level. You think a BCom MBA girl is converting into, non-IT to IT, 9 years of gap, and, as a homemaker, completely they're practicing the my syllabus. So you need not go to here and there and to conquer anything. And not only that, one guy, written a mail to me, sir, a cashier became a data analyst. One cashier got a job. He is getting every month 8,000 rupees. And his name is Anvesh from, I think, Warangal or Karimnagar. I don't remember. He got a job 4 months ago. And I got a mail saying that, sir, a cashier can become a data analyst because of your coaching. So I always recommend that, even though as a guru, I teach everything properly. But if you don't study them and you close this book and you go to the YouTube channel, you read a lot of other articles, that is completely useless. So I strongly recommend that whatever the company needs, we are putting them into a single Bible and single in a syllabus, and we are covering. So since I have almost 20 plus years of experience, and not only into the real time, but also into the teaching field. So I used to handle a lot of corporate batches and everything. Almost, it is 20 years, right? So that expertise been putting into this course. So utilize this opportunity and conquer the jobs. And getting a job is very simple in IT industry. People say that you don't have any opportunities, IT industry is down, or we are getting recession. All of them are, let it be there, because you cannot control them. What you cannot control, forget about it. What you can do, you think about it. Can you control the Ukraine war? No. Can you control the recession? No. Can you control anything else in this world? No. Which you cannot control, forget about it. Which you can do, that's what you need to do it, right? So even though in my lifetime I got 3 times the recessions, but I never jumped into any other field. I'm completely into the IT industry. So all businesses will have ups and downs, not only IT field. You ask real estate, yes. You ask gold industry or oil industry, everybody will have ups and downs, but you should not jump from here to there. Definitely in India, IT industry where you will be able to get much more salaries, but only thing is that you have to get the proper gurus and proper mentors and proper efforts you need to put it. If you don't get a job anywhere, definitely getting a job in IT industry is very easy. Chalo, thank you so much, Anji, for your time. And I'll stop recording and you can ask a lot of questions to Anji and he will be able to answer now. Okay. Thank you, guys.